Yeah, we're staying in Holland. This is by Philips, showing the outer wrapping. Once again, I don't know the age. It could well be the same age as that other lamp that Alex checked the number, and he gave me a date of that. I know he's right on that because he does know these numbers, and very handy actually. Now on here it's obviously got the standard type of wrapper as used by Philips, also the blurb along the side in several languages. It's a 200 watt, 220, 230 volts. E40, I think that refers to the actual cap. I can never remember the numbers. As I said, it's due to being number blind. So I just call them Mogul, what the Americans call them. Anyway, let's have a little look at the lamp itself. It's nicely made. I remember these years ago when I was a kid going to school. There was a factory quite close to the school, and often or not they would have a great bin outside, and these lamps, or similar lamps to these, were actually in it. They were probably ones that had blown. I didn't take one because the bin was difficult to get into, and I might have fallen into it. It was one of these very high-sided bins. But anyhow, that was what I remember. As I say, it's a good sized base or cap. I call it a Mogul. This, funny enough, I was trying to see if it was fused, and it is. Right at the bottom of the lead-in wires, it goes thinner, so it is in fact fused. Let me show you the etch. Turn it around so you get it on there. It's not too clear actually, but it's probably clear enough to see important points. I don't know that under the light, that might bring it up a bit better. There's obviously a code there which I can't even make it out by looking at it. It's on that right hand side of that, like, shield, the Philips shield, which incidentally refers to the fact that they made wireless receivers, and I think you'll find the lines represent radio waves. 200 watt. It'd be nice to have been able to have a look at the code, but it's definitely not there. I would think it's possibly the same age as the other lamp that Alex checked out. So this is possibly the same age. Anyhow, there's the lamp. I'm sorry I can't show it working, because I ain't got a socket that size. Well, I've got one, but it's not wired up yet, so unfortunately we won't be lighting it up. But there's the lamp, well made lamp, frosted or pearl or matte, whatever they call it. I would say it's never ever been used. It's just one that's in the actual collection. So, well made lamp. Anyhow, thanks for watching. As I say, I'll put something else up as well today, so we'll see how we go. Anyhow, thanks again for watching, and yep, I'll put another one up later. Thanks again. Thank you.